Welcome to the IMSE OG Plus Nature Adventure Classroom. This is an innovative virtual space designed to elevate IMSE OG Plus lessons into an engaging journey. From the phonological awareness start to the ocean room finale, the classroom mirrors a captivating nature-themed game board. This seamless integration of the IMSE OG Plus program with an immersive world ensures students are fully engaged throughout the educational experience. Say hello to virtual education that captivates from start to finish. The sound is ah. Repeat. I've designed this space to align with the IMSE lessons. Here in the new concept area, you can upload your IMSE new concept slides. Choose a 3D object from the KoalaGo inventory, such as a bathtub for compound words. Down below, you can upload your IMSE decodable reader for that concept.
From how is my over said the two.
D-O-W-N down. Woo!
Inside, it's gems, alien gems. We didn't know. It's the sun. Yay! The treasure chest.